Hi everyone, I'm Sugati here. I'm happy to be here with you all again for this week. Okay, for this week, I will explain you about Chapter 11, Managing Knowledge from Subject Management Information System. Okay, my presentation part for this week is subtopic 11.2, Enterprise-Wide Knowledge Management System. Okay, organization must deal with at least three kinds of knowledge. Okay, first, structured. Structured knowledge is the explicit knowledge that exists in formal documents as well as in formal rules that organization derive by observing experts and their decision-making behaviors. For example, reports and presentation. Unstructured is a semi-structured knowledge such as email, voicemail, chat room, exchange, video, digital features, brochures, and blueprint posting. 80% of an organization's business content is semi-structured or unstructured. Okay. No formal or digital information of kind that the knowledge reside in the heads of employees. Okay, enterprise content management system is includes enterprise content management (ECM) system apps. Organization manage structured and semi-structured information. They have capabilities for knowledge capture, storage, distribution, and preservation to help firms improve their business process and decision. Okay, knowledge network system, also known as the expertise knowledge location and management system, address the problem that arise when the appropriate knowledge is not in the form of a digital document but instead resides in the memory of the expert individuals in firm. Okay. It also provides online directory of corporate experts in well-defined knowledge domains and also use communication technologies to make it easy for employees to find appropriate experts in the company. Okay. The collaboration tools and learning management system. The major enterprise content management system include powerful portal and collaboration technologies. Enterprise knowledge portals can provide access to external sources of information such as news feeds and research as well as internal knowledge resources along with the capabilities for email chat, instant messaging, discussion groups or video conferencing. Okay, LMS, uh, learning management system, is well known among students and uh, lecturers. Okay, it's provide tools for management, delivery, tracking, and assessment of various types of employee learning and training. It support multiple models of learning. For example, CD-ROM, video-based classes, web-based classes, online forums, live instructions, online tests, and so on. It's help student and lecturer to study through online, especially uh, for for this uh, pandemic pandemic time of COVID-19. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.